Hello, this is Eric at the Prince George Ford Pre-Owned Supercenter, and we're taking a look at the 2018 Chevrolet Silverado 3500HD in an LT trim and powered by a 6.6 liter Duramax Diesel V8. You've got plenty of power for towing, hauling, and 4x4ing. Also coming with a light bar installed on the front bumper and running boards down below. You've got some nice accessories there. And let's just take a walk around the back of the truck. And now let's take a look inside. So first looking in the back, where you have spacious seating for three that can be folded completely up and out of the way to accommodate any other cargo. You also have a vinyl floor, so no need to worry about a carpet that'll get dirty and stained over time. And in the center you have two cup holders with an armrest, or armrest with two cup holders, and then you have a 12-volt power outlet down here. This vehicle does also have a remote start, so no need to go outside on those cold mornings to warm up your truck. And looking in, you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks, as well as a fully power adjustable driver's seat. So now sitting in the truck with it running, you can see that it's sitting at 61,136 kilometers. Moving down to the steering wheel, on the right hand side, you have your hands-free phone controls. Then you also have your controls for your little center screen, where you can cycle through things such as a digital speedometer, your trip A and B mileage and fuel economy, your fuel range, so how long you can still go, your oil life, and then you can also reset it, fuel economy, fuel filter, transmission fluid, exhaust fluid, and a blank screen. Then you can also go into your audio controls, phone controls, navigation, which I'm pretty sure is really just a compass, or you may actually have OnStar navigation in this truck, and then you have options such as changing some of your settings. But on the left-hand side of the steering wheel, you have your cruise control buttons, and to the left you have your trailer brake, as well as your 4x4 controls and light controls. Down here you have the switch to turn your light bar on and off. But then moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is, let's see, radio, Sirius, CD, Bluetooth, auxiliary, and possibly also USB, though I'm not too positive on that. But then shifting into reverse, you do also have a backup camera, so you're going to be able to see where you're going and hopefully avoid hitting anything. And on the shifter itself, you have your select shift as well as your tow and haul mode button to turn it on and off, of course. Then moving down from that, you have your physical media controls and your climate controls down here, which are pretty simple and easy to use. Below that, you have your traction control shutoff, your box lights to illuminate that, and your exhaust brake. And then down here you have this compartment, as well as a 12-volt power outlet there. And above the glove box you have another locking compartment with a USB inside, so you can plug something in through there, I believe. And then moving on to your center, where you have three cup holders, some cubbies, and your armrest, as well as this top compartment, which is host to a 12-volt, two USBs, and your auxiliary, so you can plug something in to charge from there. But then this does flip up and out of the way to become your fifth passenger seat and sixth seat overall, so you do have quite a bit of seating in this truck. And then beneath that, you do actually have another locking compartment, which is also pretty spacious, as you can see. So plenty of storage options, plenty of seating in this truck, pretty nice. But that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, feel free to give us a call at 250-563-8111, or just come on down to the dealership and have a look for yourself, and have a nice day.